Python requests and persistent sessions. I am using the requests module. I have figured out how to submit data to a login form on a website and retrieve the session key, but I can't see an obvious way to use this session key in subsequent requests. Can someone fill in the ellipsis in the code below or suggest another approach?
You can easily create a persistent session using. After that, continue with your requests as you would. For more about sessions, this URL.
The other answers help to understand how to maintain such a session. Additionally, I want to provide a class which keeps the session maintained over different runs of a script, with a cache file. This means a proper login is only performed when required, timeout or no session exists in cache. Also, it supports proxy settings over subsequent calls to get or post. It is tested with Python 3. Use it as a basis for your own code. The following snippets are released with GPL v3. A code snippet for using the above class may look like this.
Check out my answer in this similar question. Python, erlib2 how to send cookie with Erl open request. Edit. I see I've gotten a few downvotes for my answer, but no explaining comments. I'm guessing it's because I'm referring to the erlib libraries instead of requests. I do that because the op asks for help with requests or for someone to suggest another approach.
Upon trying all the answers above, I found that using request cookie jar instead of the regular cookie jar for subsequent requests fixed my problem.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.